Did you ever wonder what goes first, foundation or concealer? The answer is foundation. Remember, foundation is the base for all makeup. But just like choosing foundation, choosing a concealer can be a daunting task. There are so many different types on the market, and it can be difficult to decide where to begin. Let's take a look at some of the different types. Which one do you have? Liquid is perfect for light coverage, both under eye and to spot correct. Cream is full coverage and great for blemishes. It can get cakey in the under eye, so be sure to use it sparingly. Highlighting is just that. It has little to no coverage and a pearly finish. Color correcting is a more advanced technique to cover blemishes using color theory. Orange or peach are great for dark circles, while green, yellow, and purple can correct redness, sallowness, and dullness. I find that the orange and peach are the most popular of this category. Pro tip: concealer is simply color. It will not address puffiness or fine lines, so always use an under eye cream to prevent creasing.